Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jerome P. Carriazo. I am 20 years old and I live in Salog, Zamboanga del Norte. My father name is Roger Acosta Carriazo and my mother name is Mercedita Pastor Carriazo. I have four sisters. They are older than me and I am the youngest of them all. I take this course because I want to be a future law enforcer someday to help my family. And to tell me about myself, I am a friendly person and a little bit joker sometimes to my close friends. And I love for sports like swimming, badminton, basketball, volleyball, taekwondo, and arnis. And I am a former member of a Boy Scout of the Philippines, which helps me to learn a lot of things like forest survival, water survival, bandaging, how to carry a injured person, and how to cooperate to a task with your co-members. And that's all.